Ibwege wita na mbere kurumira nteto cietu tugichokera siasa ate untu bwa mainyake kiri rugono ruru rwo mwanya ekuru ibadharite kiri siasa ekuru bambirite guchia kira rietore yao nibonete nkendo cia marumi kurowana bona kujukirwa takabatiumba na kiri siasa watho bokunganania mumbirere ibutethete gutigira ekuru bakona itibege siasa itumi bya gutonya siasa nene mbio na untwire ibwamukirite utongerio bomwekuru Maureen Kinya hari na gicunje kya biere kya rugono ro mwanya kadha ciotongeria
Watho bwa kung'anania mumbere kiri utongeria bwekirwe kiri katiba nikenda gutigira ekuru na ntwarume iba kuona twanya twa utongeria gutina kwendera. Watho bo ibombete kurikithwa na gukinyanira kaunti ya Meru.
Wantu tema ninjeto achieve ya Meru na sababu iri nyingi namba ni culture. Itutura na culture ku ante athuimuka ukona akabate kuthura buru mto muka ituria kuromba kura kintu kambere ora swani mukoro kuno ani bana be we nabo so ukona aledi mbere nyeta kuthura mbere na thunguthire nkele imbingi. Number 2 atake political parties onto bo officials babengi kuthania arume na mukono wethira tena ability mbesa eta harenya kunengro ticket ne na support in ground watake kintu tuita nominations. It is very unfortunate batu tore kuroba Meru toriwa thene to embere nomination because kuma 2013 monka 2022 bara ba nominate 2013 kira ke bathithage ibia mabachenja iya
anto 24 ibabwite kwithwa bena responsibility yontubuna boria they can be accountable of na ndijo ngokwira na ndijo utukuga the empowerment of women and the youth bakethira na ndi mantu jau ijao
Nanto nyakwa andikwa ndene either county and the national government to batara kwetha twe rukagathe to dance room na te county nyingi nyagi kwandikana chumbaga gukurukia onto bou nenyotagera Meru nandi itukwaraia tha ingi manto ja nya advisors bara the new governor dithirie bure achwire gutemwa kururio lakini narandi tangu Nyeri county twena advisor, actually the advisor, the legal advisor wa my governor imwekoro na economic advisor imwekoro na two other advisors who are men.
Batu turenda ku achieve 2/3 gender rule through the ballot. No kuigwa no nto already ko nyomwera mindset yeset yaja ekoro bukarunga meni bakengitana na itebia mbipia nomination. Ba ekoro bakarega kuthithia ata bakarega bakorirwa who nominated you are under the party mercy of the party ukaja kuthithia kintu kidogo umetolewa lakini udhuria kura you are the boss. You can vote the way you want to vote depending on what your people are telling you.
Kuna appointive positions na kuna elected positions. Appointive nira nitebira bia kwa appointwa au tutetete bothuku muno. I think last time that I statistics it were achieve 30% in the higher cadre minya kuna the executive positions na kuna the middle level positions. In the middle level positions tuisasawa. In the top executive positions aunyo kuna challenge, but we are better in the appointive positions than kiri elective positions.
Munini wa ngavana Linda Kiome ne kuga thirikari ya Meru amona Kenya yonthe ne kugeria kiri kung'anania mumbire.
Kinya ndene ya Meru County nukuona governor, deputy governor imwekuru, CEC's governor na nenkanirete CEC's katha kiri ekuru kinya boards iria ikunenkanirwa governor je irare icho ina ekuru ndene ya board yu na kinya muyuth na nenkeri ke board yu na kinya ngugiri kunenkanirwa kanika nenkanirwa ndene county governor na focusite muno kugeria ku balance gender kinya kethara ara county assembly yetu imwekuru mwaki Mrs. Morogosho uronenkeri gite kia elected member of county assembly nominations cha party ichiajire cha rungamirira kanya karia kario na kinya National Assembly kanya twanya tura twanenkanirwo tokung'anania ekuru ki elections na kinya Senate. In fact, I think Senate itebiria bionde bianenkanirwe almost 95% ibia ekuru.
2027 ire ekuru bakenda kuumira boya tukaumara turi because dai umote yo turi but 2027 ekuru bakaumira na weru bunene at least abakari mionto ninke dhankiromba kura na bangi barato ko prospect bakaromba kura inkuromba ni to achieve 2 kinya through ndrebe tuka look for nomination dai to na 145 ne onto ekuru bate usiumeria to durant 15 bare ladies to achieve 1 gender rule.